Welcome back to another video. As always, if you enjoy the content, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. So what we're going to be doing today is trying to get into some trades for the week and sort of set up the portfolio to be able to maximize the most amount of gains with the current buying power that we have. Going on from last week, like I said, we still have the 100 shares of Apple. They're currently up. I believe it's partially because Apple just got upgraded by one of the firms, and so we're up around $78 on the shares alone. But if you guys have been watching the previous videos, you guys know that I've been selling covered calls and receiving premium, so we're actually up closer to around maybe $150 to $200. So because we're up right now, our average cost is 117.35, and Apple's current price is 118, slightly above 118. We're going to be able to get some pretty nice premium for them, so we're going to go ahead and go on their trade options and sort of just go ahead and see what the current option prices are. So we can see that the 118 is trading for about $177, 119 for $130, and then the 120 is trading just under $100. So as of right now, I'm tempted to go for the 119 just to give Apple a little bit more room to run. But, the premiums for the 118s are pretty high. And so that if I go for the 118, that allows me to hedge my position a little bit more just in case Apple does start dropping. Because if we sell the 118, that means we're automatically guaranteed about $180 as of right now, regardless of what Apple does. If we sell the 119, we're guaranteed about $130, but the shares might not get called away. I think I'm gonna go for the 118 just because that's pretty high premium. Or hold up, I was about to go for the 118, but it looks like Apple is running a lot and it's heading close to that 119 fairly quickly. So I'm going to wait a couple of minutes and see if Apple wants to move closer to 119, and maybe we could possibly get the 119 call for somewhere around like 160 to 180, and that'd be great. Okay, so it's been about roughly around, I guess it's like 1 or 2 minutes. I just kept it rolling. We can see that Apple is currently at 118.96. It just crossed over 119. So you can see that a little bit of waiting time will now allow me to get the premiums for the 119 for about $170. So we're going to go ahead and put the buy order for, and I was about to put it for 170, but it looks like Apple is just continuing to skyrocket. So we're going to go ahead and try to get it at 0.80, see if that happens. So you can do that. Oh, no, hold up. I do not want it at 0.8. That'd be pretty bad. Select. Wow, it's just continuing to go even higher. So let's go ahead and put it at let's see, 1.85. See if we can get that. It looks like it's getting closer to the 1.85, so we might be able to get $185 for that. It's continuing to go up. Let me go check the price at which it's... Oh, there we go. That was insane. We can see that within a couple of minutes. I think it was less than 5 minutes. I'll go back and look at the time, but you guys can see the time on the phone right now. Apple went up about $1. We also gained about $150 on the shares alone. You can see that we're up 170. And the premiums on the 119 also changed by almost a whole dollar. You can see that when we first started recording, the premiums were around, I believe they were around like 120, 130-ish. I'd have to go back and look, but now we were able to get them for almost 100% more than what they were trading. So as of right now, it's only been about 10 minutes into the trading day. We're already guaranteed. Let's see, what did we get? We're already guaranteed $185 gain just by selling the covered calls, because I plan on holding it till expiration. And if the shares do get called away, that's great, because that means we're going to make more profit. If they don't get called away, that means we still get to keep the $185, but we also get to keep the 100 shares of Apple, and we could continue doing this sort of cycle until the shares finally get called away. we're currently sitting at 10,764, so up $239 for the day. We have about 11,000, a little bit over 11,000 in buying power. I'm gonna stop the recording for right now, see if there's any more buying opportunities, and I will resume it if I do end up buying something else.